That is just awesome for me.
Brilliant people.
I study at Sakarya University, the Department of English Translation and Interpreting. I think it's really amazing.
Good friends and good memories.
University is a lot of fun. The campus is pretty fun. It's a funny story, I guess.
You home
We have skills lessons which helps us and contribute to our grammar and writing and reading and listening skills. Because of the assignments, I guess I'm more like relaxed talking in front of cameras.
I enjoyed all of my classes and they were pretty helpful. Most of my classes that required skills like speaking, listening, reading, they were pretty active. There were a lot of talking involved and it was pretty fun to participate in the classes.
European history and British and American culture lessons. We had linguistic classes.
I really enjoyed writing lessons. It was really quite interactive.
My favorite classes are definitely the skill lessons, the speaking and writing skills lessons.
I just really enjoyed the skill class, and especially writing and speaking.
Teachers gave us the English papers and we tried to translate them into Turkish. It was super hard, but it was a lot of fun trying to tackle it at once.
About the lessons, British and American culture is really good for the translator because if you don't know a nation's culture, you can't make a translation.
Very green, it's very open, there are so many faculties, there are so many social areas. I've lost my way on the first day actually. Once you learn your way around, it's really easy to find the things that you can enjoy.
We have a lot of exciting places here. We have the courts, we have the football grounds, the 24/7 cafes. We have a lot of open areas. We can play volleyball and frisbee or other actual activities.
I really like the campus because I think that university shouldn't be just a place you focus on your grade, worry about your lesson. You have to improve your social skills.
So as a student, there are lots of opportunities in campus, like there are lots of green space.
I can say it's really lively, especially in summer. I'm sitting next to staff cafeteria. As you can see, there are sitting places here, and also you can see like tennis court and football court behind me.
We have a lot of student unions, some based in translation, some based in hobbies and student activities. Aside from student unions, I joined some seminars and some camping activities.
We played paintball, we made some birthday parties. Also, we are making speaking classes by ourselves. We are choosing a topic before we start speaking club and we are talking about that topic, or we are watching some series or movies. After that, we are talking about that movie or series.
Well, I joined the speaking club. I really enjoy because we play some games in here. It's really fun and it's really helped to learning the new vocabulary.
by the time the bar closes and you feel like falling down.
I had a background for translating. I really liked that when I was growing up, and this was the opportunity that I saw. It was the first year of this department. I took a chance and I'm glad I did.
The classes are really interactive and lecturers are really understanding, helpful, so are my classmates. And I think this department gives you like general information about anything and everything. So like you don't have to stick to like an office, and you can just be like a freelancer translator, or you can be like a guide. I mean, there are a lot of branches actually you can work with.
So what would you say?
It's really great for your upcoming resume after graduation and just experience in translation when you graduate and get into the office and become an actual translator.
I just want to say that I really appreciate our teachers.
I would just say be yourself, try to take advantage of all the opportunities that come to you. Don't be nervous and just jump into them, because if you don't, you might miss them.
Just be relaxed about the university, because everyone helps you around you, like our teachers, your friends, just helps you.
You don't have to be very nervous about this. Seeing from my classmates and also me, I was very nervous when I came here, especially in skill lessons. The teachers are always helping us, also classmates are really helping us. We are also looking out for each other. We make mistakes, we all do. It's a pretty common thing. You have to accept that. You have to move on, you have to push yourself to be better. That's what mistakes are for. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, you just learn from them and be better. Always check your weather report for that day, because weather is really unstable here. You might have to bring an umbrella on a sunny day.
I'll carry you home tonight.